Hey there YouTube, Brenda Petrella here, and today is the day we get to find out who the 3 lucky winners are of the PhotoPills app giveaway contest. So thank you to everyone who entered the contest by subscribing to me here on YouTube and following me over on Instagram, and also sending in your comments about what it is that you would like to learn about in landscape nature photography. That will be really helpful for me to plan out how to prioritize the tutorials that I put together. So instead of just sort of putting names in a hat and randomly picking, I thought we would do something a little more fun. So let's get started. Okay, so I think we've mixed up the names as best as we can, so let's start picking them out and find out who our winners are. Now, I apologize in advance that I am absolutely terrible at pronouncing names, and so I am sorry if I mispronounce your name. I will do my best. Okay, so drum roll please. The first winner is Hangs for Fun, who wants to learn more about composition. Actually, that was something that came up quite a bit in the comments, and so I will definitely start focusing a little bit more on composition. All right, next winner is Larry Fisher, and he would like a video on how to do macro photography. That sounds good. I'm actually pretty new to macro photography myself, and so that will be a great learning experience for me as well. All right, and our third winner, drum roll please, is Marcus Bruneman. We'll go with that. He is interested in landscape photography and also in light painting. He wants to learn more about how to light paint landscapes by night. So yeah, night photography and nightscapes came up as another very common request for tutorials, and so we can certainly do tutorials on that. If you haven't already checked out my Milky Way series, be sure to check on those. Part 1 and Part 2 are already out about how to plan and how to prepare for a Milky Way shoot, and Part 3 will be coming out in the next week or so, which is all the settings and whatnot that you need for doing Milky Way photography, including some time-lapse. Okay, so congratulations again to Hangs for Fun, Larry Fisher, and Marcus Bruneman. I will contact you all individually and let you know about winning the PhotoPills app. And thank you all for participating in the contest. I really appreciate your comments and ideas for tutorials, and I will do my best to answer all of them either through a specific tutorial on the topic or through like a Q&A session. And hopefully if we get to 10,000 subscribers on the channel, I'll be able to do another giveaway. Okay, and I'm gonna try this thing out since we blew it up. I never have. It's my first time. Right, Atticus? Right? Yeah, let's try that. Whoa.